trying to prune while this guy is on this plant is really difficult. It's not budging. I've got the shears on pruning, and meanwhile he's just not moving. I'm trying so hard to not disturb you little guy, but it's like crazy. These marigolds are very beautiful and they smell really good, so I know why he or she doesn't want to move. I don't know, it's a pretty big bee. It might be the queen. I don't know that much about bees, so I'm probably wrong, but this bee has been chilling on these marigolds, this particular marigold plant for, I already did that one.